Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see tag posts and photos in your Facebook page. So, log into your Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to click on this account option, which is top right corner, this profile icon. Click on this, and you'll find here three or four or two names, which is your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on your Facebook page name, not your Facebook name. When you click your Facebook page name, it will automatically land it to your Facebook page account. Then you have to click on this Meta Business Suite, this one. Now you have to go to this content. Now you'll find here mention and tags. Click on this mention and tags. Now here you will find here all of your mention and tags. So I don't have any mention and tags because the page is new, but in your case, if you find, if anyone tag you or mention you, it will be find here. Okay guys, so this is how you can see this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.